A uniform ladder of mass 30 kilograms and length 4 meters has its foot on rough horizontal ground and rests against a smooth peg at C. The distance AC is 3 meters. If the ladder is in limiting equilibrium, we want to find mu. Since it's a uniform ladder, the weight of 30G will act at the midpoint, so that's 2 meters from A. There'll be a normal reaction at the peg, a reaction at the ground, and a frictional force which will go this way to prevent the ladder slipping in this direction. This angle here is 60. That means that this angle is 60. That's just using a Z angle there. So this angle here would be 30. So a component of n in this direction would be n cos 30. And a component in this direction would be n sine 30. We may need to resolve the weight if we're going to take moments. This is 60, which would make this angle 30, so this angle would be 60, and the component this way, 30G, cos 60 degrees. If we resolve vertical forces, or equate vertical forces, the forces upwards, which are the R, and this component of N, must be equal to the forces downwards, and that's only the 30G. So R plus N sine 30 would be equal to 30G. If we look at the horizontal forces, there's only this component and FR, so FR must be equal to N cos 30. We also know, in limiting equilibrium, that friction is equal to mu R. I'm going to also take moments about A. FR and R act at A and therefore have no turning effect. The N, which is at right angles to AB, has a moment 3n since its distance is 3. This component has a turning effect. Remember, the other component just goes directly towards A, so has no turning effect. So that's going to be equal to 30G cos 60 times its distance from A, which we know is 2 meters. This gives us 3n is equal to 294, and therefore n is equal to 98 newtons. From this we can now calculate R from here. R is going to be 30 times 9.8. Take away 98 sine 30, giving us that R is 245 newtons. Friction then is equal to 98, we're going from here, cos 30. Cos 30 is root 3 over 2, so this is 49 root 3. Mu is equal to FR divided by R, so that's 49 root 3 divided by 245, giving us root 3 over 5.